If you have sunburn, hyperpigmentation, dark spots on your face, and you're looking for incorporating the Kojivit Ultra Gel on your skincare routine, then watch this video. Today, I'll be showing you how you can use your Kojivit Ultra Gel in your routine. The first thing you're going to be doing, you're going to wash your face with a simple face wash or any face wash that does not contain any active ingredient. Then you're going with your toner. I'll be using the Coric pH balancing toner, and this toner is actually a brightening toner that will help you in brightening your skin. It helps to reduce redness on your face, and also it helps to reduce dark spots on your face. This is my go-to toner whenever I'm using the Kojivit Ultra Gel. After applying the Licorice Toner, then I'll follow up with another toner. Why I love the Centella Toner is because it is very moisturizing. The next step is to follow up with this Snail Mucin Essence. If you don't have this, you can skip to the next step, but I like to use this on my skin. After applying this, I will allow my face to dry up very well. Do you know why I always allow my face to dry up very well? First, so that the Kojivit Ultra Gel will not irritate my skin, because it's not good to apply your Kojivit Ultra Gel on a damp skin. Note that you must apply it on a very dry skin. Now my face is dry, and the next step to do is to apply your Kojivit Ultra Gel. So today I will be showing you how you are going to apply it on your face so that you're not going to have breakouts or it's not going to cause you sunburn. The first thing to do is just to open it, then you apply it on your hand. This amount is enough. You're going to be applying the Kojivit Ultra Gel on the areas you have your dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and sunburn. But for me, that I don't have sunburn, I don't have really too many hyperpigmentation on my face, so I prefer to apply it all over my face because I'm trying to like uniform my skin. But if you have dark spots in a particular area and you don't want to apply it all over your face, it is fine. But for me, I prefer to apply it all over my face. This is me just applying it like this. You just apply it dot form on your face. So after applying it, you're just going to dab it, like tap it on your face. You can rub it gently, and you're going to leave the Kojivit Ultra Gel to stay on your face for a few minutes before going in with your next step. The first time using the Kojivit Ultra Gel, you're going to notice the Kojivit Ultra Gel is stinging your face, or you feel some uneasiness on your skin or on your face. Just be calm about it, because you have to allow it to dry down. This is why I'm allowing it to dry down first before going in with my next step. After allowing my Kojivit Ultra Gel to dry down on my face for a few minutes, then I'll be going in with my moisturizer. You have to get a very good moisturizer that contains ceramide. After applying your moisturizer, the most important step is your sunscreen. I'll be using this Centella sunscreen. This sunscreen is actually very good. This is my go-to sunscreen. Some tips that will be helpful to you. First, you apply it twice or 3 times in a week. You don't apply it 5 times in a week or 7 times in a week. And remember to make sunscreen your best friend, and you only apply the Kojivit Ultra Gel only at night time. You don't apply it during the daytime. It makes your skin sensitive to the sun, and you can easily have sunburn or even increase the darkness and hyperpigmentation on your face. If this was helpful to you, you can like and follow me for more tips like this.